Hi, hi guys. Pratap Malladi back from Future Framer. So today I'm going to share 10 easy tips to get a job fast for a fresher. Tip number 1. Fix your LinkedIn. Make sure that you are always active on LinkedIn. Try to maintain a LinkedIn profile with a good photo and just say open to work. Write who you are in very simple words. Tip number 2. Try to apply to 10 jobs daily on LinkedIn. You can use easy apply. Tip number 3. Copy job boards into your resume to pass robot checks. The other day I was saying, right, application tracking systems. So to pass on those checks, you need to try to find out relevant keywords from the job description and try to place them in your resume, align it properly, and then apply. Tip 4. Learn one skill fast, which is demanding in the market. For example, Python. You can find ample of free sites. Try to learn from there. Try to make a small projects, place it on, create a GitHub portfolio of the same, and showcase your skills. Tip number 5. Add 20 people weekly. Say hi them personally. So if you're from analytics, you can find multiple people across leaders, visionaries, professionals, your colleagues, etc. in the LinkedIn. Try to connect with them, say hi them, learn, try to exchange your knowledge among each other. Tip number 6. Post like I am job hunting. Here is my work. Just try to showcase your work, what exactly you did. It's not kind of learning, right? You have to show you what you did after learning. You did any project you want to showcase it, and showcase that and try to tag companies across. Tip number 7. Check career pages of any 10 companies each week. Okay, there are multiple companies exist right today, so try to visit their as per your skill set, as per your industry, as per your thought process. You know it, right, where you want to apply, what you want to become like. So find relevant companies, try to apply. Just go to their career pages, learn about them. They sometimes they'll keep on posting about their hiring process, what makes them more unique, how that working culture around. So try to learn more about them. Tip 8. Practice interview answers. Check who interviews you. Okay, so for example, if you are applying for python developer or python engineer, somewhere someone who is from like a team leader definitely, or else manager will interview you. So try just do some research of the company, who is okay based upon your location, and who is some technical leads over there. Try to know. So it would be better to know like about them more. So that will give you enough confidence going forward. Tip number 9. List all applies in a notebook. Try to maintain one excel sheet or a notebook, right? So you should know, right? For example, you applied for an interview, you passed first round, second round, and you, for example, if you are able to through, what made you unique to, if you are failed, why you are able not able to clear the interview, what makes you wrong, so you can correct those mistakes, right? So try to maintain a notebook or a spreadsheet, and please maintain like change what doesn't work. Tip number 10. Don't give up. First thing is, right, it's not always a full-time job. Try for internships. There are two kinds of internships: paid internships and free internship. So try to cheer with small steps. So most quit too soon, but what I request you, you keep going on. So for this, considering all above, I am trying to host a workshop on resume and interview skills soon. So if you are interested to join my workshop, drop a comment below the link in the YouTube link. If you're interested, join, mention that you are interested, and I will share the registration form with you. Have a good day. Best wishes. Pratap Malladi, Future Framers.